Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to do a quick video right now. I was going to do live, but my family is watching a lot of stuff on Netflix and YouTube and the connection will be really slow, so I decided just to film it anyways. So I'm going to be talking about a few of my plants here that I'm noticing finally some production. We went through, I think it was 93 today. But it wasn't really sweltering hot. It was a lot of overcast. And the sun wasn't that strong. So luckily things are getting eased into the summer months here in California. So I'm going to begin with the well, I don't know what it is now. It used to be a chaffy Cherimoya that I purchased over a year ago or 2 years ago. And it didn't do so well with the late frost we got last year. Late spring of last year, we had a late frost, hard freeze that went down to 26 degrees when things were just flushing out new growth. No bueno. The whole thing went down to the rootstock. So I let the rootstock grow up, and now I think it's an Atemoya. Maybe a Paw Paw, but it's not a Cherimoya anymore. But this is taking the summer temperature a lot better, or the pre-summer temperature a lot better than that chaffy did. That chaffy wasn't doing so well once it got above 85. It was struggling. So this is doing really well. But let me show you finally the Guamuchil, or Guamuchi, either way, how do you pronounce it? It's finally coming out of dormancy, as you can see right here with all the leaves. Thank goodness. And the nodes are starting to produce as well. I was really worried about this one. I've had this for about 3 years, but this is the first year it's been in the ground. I planted this, I can't remember exactly, but I think around February of this year, I think. So it's the first time in the ground, and it's just, you know, it's already past June 1st and it's still dormant pretty much. But that's a good sign right here, because I love Guamuchil. In Arabic, or at least I think it's Arabic, maybe it's Armenian, but I'm pretty sure it's Arabic, they call it tamarandin, tamarind, which is the sour one, but this is a sweet version of it. Like, I think they call it Indian tamarind, another name for it. But yeah, so I wanted to show those plants right here. I'm assuming Atemoya and the Guamuchil. Finally coming out of dormancy, the Guamuchil, thank goodness. Been getting a lot of comments with the moringa, doing well. I just took off about 7 of the nodes on the bottom because I don't need them at all. But I'm going to wait. You can see it already grew from yesterday's filming. These nodes, they're already growing out even more. I mean, moringa's really fast. But I just want, like I said, I just want the energy to come from above. But I rather, thank you all, everyone, for all the comments, by the way. But I rather wait. I was responding to someone on the community. I rather wait 5 to 7 days till this heat wave is over, and then see how this reacts, and then do what I want to do, if I do anything at all. Alright everyone, pretty cool stuff. Want to say bye, Lulu? Lulu, want to say bye? You never say anything anymore. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.